Many Infinix users want to print text messages for records, proof, or legal use. This video shows 5 reliable ways to print SMS from Infinix phones easily. Part 1. Print out text messages from Infinix via Assistant for Android left bracket versatile right bracket. To print SMS from an Infinix phone, you need a computer with a connected printer and Mobikin Assistant for Android. This popular tool not only helps you print messages easily, but also manages Infinix data smoothly. Step 1. Install and open the Android Desktop Manager on your PC. Step 2. Connect your Infinix via USB and follow prompts to detect the device. Step 3. In the left panel, select the SMS option. The software will scan the messages stored on your mobile phone and present them in the right panel, allowing you to conveniently read and preview all your Infinix text messages. Step 4. Choose the specific messages you wish to extract from your Infinix phone and click the Export in the top menu. Save the text messages in your preferred format, such as CSV, text, XML, or HTML. Finally, connect your computer to a printer to print the exported messages effortlessly. Part 2. Print an entire text message from Infinix by taking screenshots. Open Messages on Infinix and screenshot the conversation. Use scrolling screenshot if available. Go to Gallery, select Screenshots, tap Share, then choose your printer, adjust settings, and tap Print. Part 3. Print SMS history from Infinix phone via Super Backup and Restore. Install Super Backup and Restore on Infinix. Tap SMS Backup, save as XML locally or to drive. Move the file to PC, open with SMS Backup Viewer or a text reader. Press Ctrl+P or Cmd+P to print. Part 4. Print off text messages from Infinix via SMS Backup and Restore. Install the app on Infinix, tap Set up a backup messages only, choose Storage, then tap Backup Now. Go to View Backups, open a conversation, tap 3 dots Print Conversation, select Printer Print. Part 5. Print text messages from Infinix via Google Messages Web. On your computer, open Messages for Web. Scan the QR code using your Infinix phone. Once connected, press Ctrl+P Windows or Cmd+P Mac to print. For long chats, print multiple pages if needed.